Click on search bar and type here Task Manager. After that, click here to open it. Select Run as Administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select File, click on Run New Task, and from here click on Browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Open troubleshoot settings. Now click on other troubleshooters. Just scroll down and run Windows Store apps. It will try to detect the problems. Once done, close all these windows and then go to search bar and type here services. Click here to open it. It will open services window and you need to just scroll down and right click on Windows Update, select properties and set it as to automatic and click on start. Then click on apply. OK. On the same window, right click on this service, select properties and set startup type as automatic. Click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. Again go to search bar and open command prompt. Now type these commands carefully. You'll get all the commands from the description below to avoid mistakes. And hit enter to execute it. Then close command prompt and simply restart your system. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.